Hi everyone, Nina here, and today we're diving into a topic that I get asked about constantly, vitamin D3 and K2. Specifically, how these two powerhouses can support your health, especially when we're thinking about uterine fibroids and overall womb wellness. If you're like many women, you might be looking for natural, informed ways to support your reproductive system, whether it's for fibroids, hormonal shifts, or just feeling your best. The womb is so central to our energy, our mood, our hormonal rhythm, and truly our long-term well-being. Now, you might have heard of vitamin D3, often called the sunshine vitamin. It's crucial for so many bodily functions, including immune health and bone density. But what about vitamin K2, and why are they often discussed together? Think of it this way, vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium. That's great. But vitamin K2 steps in to help direct that calcium to where it needs to go, like your bones and teeth, and importantly, asterisk away asterisk from places it shouldn't accumulate, like soft tissues and arteries. This partnership is vital. For those of us focusing on womb wellness, maintaining a healthy hormonal balance and supporting cellular health is key. While research is ongoing, some studies suggest that adequate levels of both D3 and K2 may play a role in promoting overall cellular health and can be an important part of a holistic approach to managing conditions like fibroids. When we're talking about managing inflammation or supporting healthy cell division, these vitamins are worth paying attention to. And for my vegan friends or anyone looking for plant-based options, the good news is there are high bioavailability vegan forms of both D3 and K2 available. These ensure your body can effectively absorb and utilize these essential nutrients. Remember, this isn't about giving medical advice. It's about providing information so you can have an informed conversation with your own doctor. They can help you determine the right dosages and if supplementation is appropriate for your individual needs. So the big takeaway today is don't underestimate the dynamic duo of vitamin D3 and K2, especially when considering your overall health and womb wellness. It's another piece of the puzzle in taking a proactive, holistic approach to feeling your best. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights into women's health and share it with someone who might benefit. See you next time.